Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, we are from group 9 class 12 MIPA 6 to deliver material about the cause effect consisting of my name is Alfa Nizar Amelia.
My name is Anis Fauziza.
My name is Priska Jawarotunisa.
My name is Putri Hairunisa.
Expressing cause and effect with because, so that, and such that.
The phrase is because. What is because? Because is a conjunction which is used at the beginning of a clause before the subject and verb. The rules for using because plus clause must be followed are complete with a main clause because the word because plus clause cannot stand alone. For example, you want to use the sentence because you have to understand the formula, like because plus subject plus verb plus subject plus verb. We will discuss on P1. Because is a section that is used at the beginning of a clause, and because in Indonesia can be inferred because. Contoh kata penghubung because seperti because the text is so hard, I must give up. Artinya karena ujiannya berat, aku hampir menyerah. Because masuk ke dalam rumus because, sedangkan the text masuk ke dalam kata subjek dan hard masuk ke dalam verb, sedangkan I masuk ke dalam subjek dan almost give up ke dalam verb. Mari kita buat contoh sekali lagi ya, seperti because the weather was cold we stayed home. Artinya karena cuaca dingin kami tinggal di rumah. Because masuk ke dalam rumus because, sedangkan the weather masuk ke dalam kata subjek dan cold masuk ke dalam verb, dan we ke dalam subjek, sedangkan stay home masuk ke dalam rumus verb.
The conjunction so that has the meaning sehingga atau supaya. This conjunction can be used if the sentence expresses an activity that can create or prevent another activity after it. So, is placed after an adjective, an adverb, or a noun phrase that begins with a determiner many, much, few, little. To use so that must have a pattern that is subject plus verb plus so plus adjective or adverb plus that. Let's discuss one by one first. The adjective adalah kata sifat, for example, good, beautiful, angry, smart, and others. While the adverb of manner adalah kata keterangan perilaku, for example, quickly, carefully, furiously. The use of so that usually after so will be followed by an adjective or adverb of manner. Look at the following example. She is so beautiful that I can get my eyes off you. Yang artinya, dia sangat cantik sehingga aku tak bisa melepaskan pandangan darinya. Sebelum kata that, kita menemukan adjektif. Dalam kalimat ini, adjektifnya adalah beautiful. Jadi, kalau kita menggunakan bentuk so that, maka setelah so menggunakan adjektif atau kata sifat, sehingga kalimatnya menjadi she is so beautiful that I can get my eyes off you. Next is the second example. The weather is so hot that I don't want to go anywhere. Artinya, cuaca sangat panas sehingga aku tidak mau pergi kemana-mana. Perhatikan bagian kata so hot that. Adjektifnya adalah hot.
The last one is such that. What is such that? Such that is one of the conjunction in English that is used to express cause and effect as well. As for the meaning of such that is sedemikian atau begitu atau sehingga. Such is followed by a singular noun or a singular noun with the article a are followed by a plural noun.
Such that.
The use of such that uses the formula. The formula is subject plus verb plus such plus article plus adjective plus noun plus that plus result. Different from so that, such that must be followed by the article first. Then there is the adjective and add a new noun followed by that and the sentence. We know that an adjective adalah kata sifat. So, your question, what is a noun? Yes, a noun adalah kata benda. Let's go straight to the example. Number 1, he is such a lovely man that he is loved by everyone. Yaitu, dia adalah pria yang sangat baik sehingga dia dicintai oleh semua orang. Polanya yaitu he adalah subject, is adalah predikat, dan diikuti pola such, dan a adalah artikel, lovely adalah adjective, man adalah noun, atau lovely man itu adalah noun phrase. Lalu diikuti pola that, dan diikuti kalimat yang utuh. Second example, it was such a bad picture that I don't want to save it. Yang artinya, itu gambar yang sangat buruk, sehingga saya tidak ingin menyimpannya. Same as the first example, it sebagai subjeknya, was sebagai predikat, diikuti pola such, a sebagai artikel, that picture adalah noun phrase, lalu diikuti pola that, dan diikuti kalimat yang utuh. Next, we use example sentence without direct adjective. The baby is such a cutie that everyone loves. Bayinya sangat imut sehingga disukai semua orang. The same as the previous example, only this one we use without the direct adjective. The baby sebagai subjek, is sebagai predikat, diikuti pola such, a sebagai artikel, cutie adalah noun, dan diikuti pola that, serta diikuti kalimat yang utuh.
To end our presentation earlier, if anyone want to ask a question, you can read in the comment column. If there are words and our pronunciation is wrong, we apologize. Thank you for watching.